Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do the single leg monkey. I like to call it a tree variation. So single leg monkey is something you can do, especially after you've done monkey. It's really nice to see which one of your legs is probably riding along inside another leg. And so then you could do weak, strong, weak. I'm also going to show you with a tree variation because I happen to really love it and the way it feels. I think it's really important for clients who and students and practitioners who have a hard time understanding the tree exercise because you're in a closed chain position with the bar touching your foot and your hips touching the mat. So it's got a lot of good stuff going on. So you want to have your safety chain on, uber important, and one heavy spring from below. And then you'll set yourself up like you did for monkey, because you probably did monkey already. And then your feet go on the center of the bar. One leg will actually reach out. And then here's the thing about monkey. You see how my thigh is just like pushing into my stomach? I actually want to make sure my thigh bone and my stomach are not so nice to each other. And I'm going to point my foot, and because my arms are connected to my back, as the bar goes up, not from the back of my knee, but from the back of my thigh, there we go, then my back comes up. And I can flex and point, and then as I bend my knee in, my stomach is chasing the mat, and my thigh bone is pushing into my foot so I don't just get smashed in here by the spring. Point the foot, come up, bend. I feel like I'm doing shave in my upper body, and then point, and then pull it. Right now with the tree variation, you go up, you hold it here. Make sure your hips are square. Grab the ankle, walk down the leg, right? And then walk up the leg. So this really helps you feel that spinal articulation and how you do the roll up when you're doing your tree. And you're still trying to keep your lower back stretching to the mat as you bring your head to your knee. So then you'd point the foot, bend the knee, and then you'd switch sides, right? So again, pointing through, making sure the back of the leg presses up. This other leg is long. I'm still hugging my outer hip in. Then I can flex, point, and bend. And you'll notice which one of your seats activates a little bit more than the other, which one of your hips wants to swivel, because it's also really easy to end up crooked here. And then you know, by the way, that when you're doing your tree, it's happening over there too. So I like to do 3, and I like to really focus on my arms climbing from my back and my stomach pulling to the mat. So I feel a lot of abs and glutes here. Grab, flex, bend it in. And then, slide out. Maybe go to your tree on your reformer or on your ladder belt and see how it works. It's a really good hamstring stretch, but also hamstring activator. It's easy for you to see if you hang out in your knees, because if you do it here, you're doing it there on the reformer, right? Okay, I'm Lesley Logan. If you have any questions for me, please let me know in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you next time, and have an awesome day.